Hey y'all, it's Diane with Y'all Craft One and my old barn door, and I finished the retro Christmas journal. Just one. And again, like I told you in the last video, it's already sold. So if you want me to finish one of the other ones, I will do that for you if you email me at shawcraft1@gmail.com. Otherwise, I'm going to wait till next Christmas to finish the other two because it's just too much, too close to Christmas. I just got too much going on and I just don't think I'll get them done in time. And just a little tip, I haven't heard back from my friend who wanted this, so if she doesn't get it, take a peek into the Etsy shop, because if she doesn't get it, I will put this one in the Etsy shop. So that being said, we're just going to do a quick flip through. I did something a little different to it than the last video that you saw. So, well, I'll just kind of show you, and I'm going to try not to do a lot of talking, but I had a hard time getting it to fold closed and look right because I stuffed it kind of full, you know, because I'm extra like that. So I refolded it into a different way, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. So happy accident, which it wasn't really an accident, it was just an adjustment. So you open it up like, okay, this is the cover. You open it up like this, and this is the signature that has the recipe stuff in it that she can take to her kitchen and use. But then if you fold this open, she's going to have a little pocket here to stuff in all of her extra little recipes and stuff. And I've just tucked her in some little ones just to kind of show her that that's what this is for. But I also want her to be able to just tuck recipes into here, because if you see my recipe book right now, a lot of times I'll just grab a recipe and just shove it in there until I can get to a point to where I can put it where it goes or whatever. So I just wanted her to have a place where she could just kind of tuck things in and hold them until she can organize them. So this is the recipe portion. So I've just tucked a recipe in there. She has the little flashcard there with the little, I love the little rusted jingle bell. And so I'm just going to flip through real quick. I'm not going to take everything out of the pockets because you kind of saw me tucking things in here. But I've, you know, of course, went back and put more stuff in because that's just how I roll. But I love how this turned out. I'm so excited for her to see it. I think she's going to love it. Here's one of the little tags. I think I did a video on this one. I can't remember for sure. Sorry, I got glue on my fingers. Been trying to hurry up and get this done so it can be on its way to her and she can have it for Christmas or for her Christmas meal. I put a little pocket there with a cute little, this was a book page and it had a cute little recipe on it. So tuck that in there. I love the center signature of this. So she has lots of room in this signature to write recipes. She can even write recipes back here on this pretty little lady. I love her. I just absolutely love her. She's one of my favorites. Little pieces here that I've tucked in for her. I just tucked this down in here. She can write a recipe back here. But I just wanted her to kind of have a little bit of decoration in the signature. So, but I didn't put a lot of fabric because with the journal, you know, with it going to be used in the kitchen, you know, you don't want to have stained fabrics and things like that on your stuff in your kitchen. So I kind of went easy on the fabrics. And then she's got that pecan pie recipe, the little December daily list, the eggnog recipe, the ham recipe, and I made her a little tag there. Put her one of my little collage pages from the retro Christmas kit that I put in my Buy Me a Coffee shop. I hope y'all went and grabbed that. If you didn't, I did a whole kit. It's a huge kit with all kinds of retro imagery and collage pages and things like that in the shop. Okay, so once you finish with the recipe part, you flip it like this, and then you have a two signature journal. But anyway, yeah, go over to the Buy Me a Coffee page. The link will be in the description box below, and grab that retro kit. And all of the freebies. I have a ton, or not a ton, but I have like 4 or 5 sets of freebies over there on my Buy Me a Coffee page. So you can go grab some of those. So just doing a quick flip through so y'all can kind of see what I did. This is that, I showed you this in the last video, so I'm not going to take it off just for time's sake. This is the center of the first signature, and I just stuffed it full of lots of fun little goodies for her to play with in her journal. This is a flip open with some pockets, or a pocket, and then it's got a pocket right here that I left empty for her to be able to put in her memorabilia. This is the shaker tag. I think we made these together on a video, and it's got the little pocket in the back. I just kind of put some cute little things on over in the pockets and over the edges of the pages, just to kind of decorate it up and give her lots of things to play with. So that's the end of the first signature. This is the second signature, and I love kind of how nice and flat the journal lays, so to make it easy to work in. This is one of the little tags we made from junk mail envelopes that we made together on video. This is a little booklet that opens up that she can journal in or write a recipe in if she wants to use the whole thing for her recipes. This is a little envelope that I made, and I stuffed her some Christmas stamps in there. I love this. This is one of those recipe card things, you know, that came in the boxes, but this one tells you how to make those salt dough Christmas ornaments, so I thought that would be fun. This is also made from a junk mail envelope, but it's got a pocket in it, so I've tucked her in some more fun little goodies in there. I absolutely love this kit. Isn't she just beautiful? Oh my goodness, and that little pink bow, oh my gosh. I just love it. I love all of these pages. This is the flip over that we made with the hidden journaling spots, and I just tucked her some fun stuff in the pocket there, and a vintage ledger, a railroad ledger in there, and then on the back side you have the other little flip secret journaling spot and the belly band, and I tucked her some goodies in there, and then it opens up and she can journal on the inside, or you know, she can put pockets on there or whatever she wants to do. Okay, so that just tucks over the page. I love these Santas. These are in the kit too. A lot of these images that I've used on here are in the kit that's over in the Buy Me a Coffee shop. This is a cute little vintage envelope, and it had a little vintage card in it, and then I added her a bunch of little images from my kit in there. Here's that other little flip over that you can make a pocket here on this side. I didn't do that so that she can put it on whatever page she wants it on and make it a pocket there. But yeah, that is the end of the journal. I'm so excited for her to get it. I love the way it turned out. So, and I hope she loves it as much as I do. But I just wanted to do a quick little flip through on video just to have a record of it and let y'all see it. And like I say, if she doesn't get it, I will put it in my Etsy shop. So once you see this video, if she didn't get it, it will be in my Etsy shop. So go check and see if it's there. If it's not and you still want one, let me know in an email and I'll finish one of the other ones for you, because they're pretty close to being done too. But I just didn't, you know, like I say, kind of ran out of time, and I didn't want it to be so late making them this close to Christmas and then them sit in the shop forever. So anyways, that's how we'll do it. If you want one, just let me know and I'll finish it for you. And yeah, we'll get you taken care of. So that is the Retro Christmas Journal 2023. So I hope you enjoyed the flip through. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for me, if you will, because it does help the channel. Hit the notification button or bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload videos. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. I hope y'all have a great day. Big hugs.